Elizabeth, the parish of food, rum, and many firsts. Roun Di Bend takes you to St. Elizabeth.
To get the best jellies and the peanuts, dry corn, whatever fruits you like. It's all here.
From the lens of our drone, we could see how nature neatly knitted these bamboos that create a 2.5-mile canopy. Once inside, the shade provides the perfect rest stop, the natural way.
Whichever, roasted or raw. Only sell by the bag. This is for 200, 1,500, that's it.
My name is Akeem, and this spring I've been here from a little boy growing up. And this spring I've been using mostly like Jamaica quarter don't really have water like that, because at times water gone a pipe and them with it, so we really use the spring more often than the pipe right now, because we use it for household, we use it for bathing, and we use it for some other little things. The spring is coming from way up to YS, it goes straight to Black River, where they have safari and so forth. I love St. Elizabeth still, so, and it's a joy to be here.
Welcome to the Waterloo Guest House, and let there be lights.
Waterloo Guest House, very historical building, the first place to receive electricity in the Caribbean and even before New York. It's also the first town in Black River here to receive a telephone and a motor car.
So what's the story behind Waterloo?
Well, what I've learned is that it was first owned by the Shakespeare and then the Leyden brothers, who has been living here for some quality time. They had imported their horses here, and in order for them to keep their horses cool, they had was to import
Some form of electricity?
yes,
Okay.
to provide them, get them cool. So that's basically what brought the history here, and for them to imported electricity.
Waterloo still exists today as an attraction.
Yes, it does. Currently, we are running a restaurant, bar, and guest house. We try to do and please our guests. Whenever they come here, we try to have even a small attraction as this pool, which was the first in this region in St. Elizabeth.
Stacey-Ann, I
Yes.
have one last question.
Go ahead.
Why do you love St. Elizabeth?
Well, honestly, I was born in Kingston. I had to migrate here in St. Elizabeth, where my mom husband is from. And the reason for me staying here this long is because of the warmth and love that you're feeling here.
Though my time here was short, I do feel loved and welcome.
Thank you.
So I'll be back, but for now, we'll go off to somewhere else in St. Elizabeth. If you're in Black River and you want to know the time, then stop by this treasure. We lingered a bit in the capital to admire the intricate architecture of decades-old structures still standing among modern-day business. The capital also pays homage to those lost at sea, a part of history the seaside town will not abandon.
My grandfather originated from Scotland. His beard was all the way down here, but I didn't know him. Yeah. And I think he must have came with the slaves, from Scotland. And this is how we, and coming up in our family, all of us come up with a fair skin.
My great-grandfather was English. He come here in, I think, in the slavery.
Flaggerman, Pedro Plain, and the Treasure Beach area. I understand they were Polish, and they started to settle there.
Let me ask you something. I've been told that Littis used to be a plantation where they would make rope.
That thing called sisal. The roads used to be along the roadside. We used to do it. And they used to cut it, scrape it, and put it together, and intertwine it to make rope.
Our journey started on the eastern end, and now we conclude this wonderful cultural feature on St. Elizabeth right here at Treasure Beach.
I would like to welcome each and every one of you to Jack Sprat in Treasure Beach in particular. Treasure Beach is a fishing village with 4 coves. You have the Great Pedro Bluff, the Great Calabash Bay, Frenchman's, Belize Bay. Becoming a farming community and a tourism community. People are opening more new businesses like restaurants, new houses, guest houses, small hotels.
St. Elizabeth. See you soon.